Yes, my people, how you doing today? Hope you're doing fine. So, before we even get into the video, hit a like. Yes, my people, bless upon yourself. Abducted motorist resecured from pit in St. Catherine. A man who was abducted on Thursday and his car stolen was this morning resecured from a 55 feet deep pit in the St. John's Avenue community of Spanish Town. Reports are that the man whose name is being withheld was held up by armed men who stole his motor car and took him to the St. John's Avenue community and threw him into the pit. According to a police source, they were alerted to the area and on their approach, one man who was guarding the pit ran from the scene and escaped in the community. According to the senior superintendent of the St. Catherine Fire Brigade, Dennis Lawrence, said the department received the call at about 7 a.m. and responded with 17 firefighters and emergency personnel who carried out the extraction. The firefighters was lowered into the pit and he tried to rope around the gentleman and in a very delicate process, we were able to remove him from the pit, Lawrence disclosed. The man was transported to the Spanish Town Hospital where he is being treated. Yes, my people. So that's it. Open up, drop a like, or subscribe, anything. Bless upon yourself. Have a great day. Let's see what is been happening. And if you don't have anything that I'm supposed to talk or you want me to talk about, send it in my DM. Jamaica Don't Good Again TV, Instagram, Jamaica Don't Good Again TV, Facebook, YouTube. Bless upon yourself.